The Dwarf 2 telescope in the Amazon? What's all that about? Thanks very much for joining me here today on Astro-Dwarf Adventures. Today will be a short video, but hopefully a really exciting one. So today is all about giveaways. It's about giving away to you guys in the Dwarf 2 community. So yes, Dwarf 2 is now available on Amazon, and you want to get it, why not get it with 13% discount? So as you will see coming up, I'm going to be doing my giveaway as discussed in the Polar Mount video, which was the last video. Now from that, you were asked to comment, like, and make sure you were subscribed. And this is about the random giveaway of my products. So there's going to be 3 draws in this. There's going to be a 3rd place, a 2nd place, and a grand winner. 1st place, I'm going to be giving away the products that I've made and designed for you. And just to say thank you very much for all your support and everything you've done for my channel, helping me build up my subscribers and watching my channel, liking my videos is very much appreciated. And in fact, going on to my eBay store and buying my products, it really supports my channel and helps me keep going. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much for all your support. So with that being said, let's get on with the draw. So here we are on my YouTube channel. As you can see, this is just my channel, all live. So I've got the Dwarf 2 on my polar alignment mount. So you can see this is the video, random comment picker. Okay, let's scroll up here. Now I'll put my glasses on so I can see what I'm doing. Okay, so video link, let's paste that in here. I need to close that. No one ads running, okay. That is the link in there. Let's keep scrolling down. Add comment replies. Yeah, some of you left comments, but as replies to other comments, but they're all still valid. You all had great suggestions, and I want to include everyone that left a comment. So let's keep coming down. Number of winners, we'll leave that as it is at the moment. Oh, let's solve the sum. Oh, unless my maths is absolutely terrible, I need to go with my keyboard here. There we go. There we go. That's going to be 16. Right, okay. Happy with that. Yes. I'm trying to push the yes button here. Okay. Get comments. 39 comments in total. So including replies. Obviously, if it picks one of mine, if it picks me, we'll just skip past that and pick the next one. So we're going to do, actually, we're going to do 3 draws here. So we're going to be doing it into ascending order from 3rd prize to the 2nd prize to the grand prize. Okay, so first things first, we're going to be doing lens adapter, the Astro-Dwarf Adventures lens adapter, the 1.25 inch to 37mm lens adapter. So you can use a telephoto lens on your Dwarf 2 using the filter adapter. So this is, if you effectively like, 3rd prize. Draw here. So we're going to scroll down now and we're going to see who's going to win this. So this is for the lens adapter, so let's see who the winner is. Click start. It's running through, and oh, it's me. Yay, I'm the winner. Yay. I think we should do another one. Let's scroll down, pick another winner. It's not a problem. Let's click start. We're running through, and here we go. The winner is Hepcat 1967. You've won a 1.25 inch to 37mm lens adapter for the Dwarf 2 telescope. Please email me and I will get this sent directly to you wherever you are in the world at my expense, not a problem. Thanks very much for leaving your comment. Watching my videos, very much appreciated. So yes, here we go. That's you, Hepcat 1967, 3rd prize winner. Okay, next up we have 2nd place prize. We have a pair of Astro-Dwarf Adventures batten-off masks for Star Focus. So we have 2 of our batten-off masks here. That's your 2nd prize, 0.7mm and the 0.9mm batten-off masks. There's 2 of them there for the 2nd prize winner. So let's choose you. We'll pick another winner. And away we go. Right, so this is for the 2 batten-off masks. And the winner is Sunny Mind. Well done, Sunny Mind. I love that handle, Sunny Mind. You should always have a happy, sunny mind. So well done, you are the winner of this. Again, email me with your address. I will get that sent straight to you. My email address, I'll make sure is in the pinned comment at the bottom of this video. You are the second place winner. You've won these Bath&Off masks. I will get them sent straight to you. So, the grand prize, whoever wins the grand prize, you will get the Astro-Dwarf Adventures 1.25mm to 37mm lens adapter. You will also get a couple of Bath&Off masks, a 0.7mm and 0.9mm Bath&Off masks. You will get both of these, and you will also get the polar mount, which is here, the polar mount adapter. So you're going to get all three of these sent to you. So you've got the polar mount, the Bath&Off mask, and the lens adapter for the grand prize winner, who is, let's find out. The winner is me. No, we're not doing that. We need to pick another winner. Let's do that again. Come on, let's pick another winner. Let's get the grand prize winner. And the grand prize winner is Dennis Rogers. Dennis Rogers, congratulations, mate. You've got the Bath&Off mask, you've got the lens adapter, and you've got the polar mount adapter for lining it up into equatorial mode, polar aligned, so you don't have to crop your images in as tight. Dennis Rogers, you have won all three. Again, email me your details, your name, full postal address, to the email address which is in the pinned comment below this video, and I will get this sent to you straight away. Congratulations, Dennis Rogers, and congratulations to the third and second place winners as well. As I said, please email me and I will get them out to you absolutely straight away. So well done. Great, that's my draw, and let's go on to the next part of the video. So what else is in this video then? What we have going on is Claire from Dwarf Lab contacted me and told me they're doing a special promotion on Amazon promoting the Dwarf 2 telescope. They're giving a massive 8% discount on the telescope, which is applicable from now watching this video. On top of that, they have given me an exclusive promo code, which you will see here. An exclusive promo code to allow you to get an extra 5% on top of the 8% that they're already offering. So if you do not have a Dwarf 2 telescope at the moment, this is a way of getting this today at a massive 13% discount off the normal retail price. That is fantastic. You're not going to get better value for money than that. So click the link, it will be in the description below this video. That will take you straight to the offer, their 8% discount offer, and it should automatically apply my discount code for the extra 5% on top of their 8%. If not, as I said, here is the code. You can also click on this QR code and that will also take you straight to the offer with the discount applied. The 8% that they're discounting plus the extra 5%, the discount code, which is 05 AstroD, you should see that that's applied to give you an extra 5% on top of their already 8%, giving you a grand total of 13% discount on this amazing, fantastic telescope. So click on the link, scan the QR code. If it hasn't automatically applied my discount code 05 AstroD, then apply that to get an extra 5% on the 8% they're offering. So go ahead and do it, you cannot go wrong. As you'll know, if you've been watching my videos, this is an amazing tiny little telescope, incredibly compact, incredibly portable, but incredibly powerful. You will be amazed at the level of astrophotography you can get with this scope. An example of some of the images would be this, and this, and this, and this. This was all done with a Dwarf 2 telescope just using my mobile phone. So as I said, if you haven't got it, follow the link in the description, apply the discount code, the exclusive Astro-Dwarf Adventures discount code, which is 05 AstroD, to get a further 5% on top of the 8% discount they are already offering you right now for a total of 13% discount. This offer is available until, I believe, the 14th of September. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. As I said, it was going to be short, sweet, but hopefully exciting. Those who have won in this giveaway, you know who you are. Please remember to email me at the email address which is in the pinned comment below this video. So please go into that. You'll also see my email address in the description if you're a winner. Send me your details and I will get the items sent directly to you. Thanks very much for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope you found it entertaining. Thank you very much for all your support. You know, it's very, very much appreciated. I couldn't do it and I wouldn't do it if it wasn't for you guys. So thanks very much for all your comments and likes and support. And if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel, like this video. It helps the YouTube algorithm perhaps suggest me to more people who might find value from my content. So take care, guys. Cheers. Thanks very much. And don't forget to look up because you just don't know what you're going to see. Take care, guys. Thanks very much. Bye then.